The University of Southern Australia, who works closely with the Australian Department of Defence, has selected Draganfly to integrate and commercialize its breakthrough detection technology. This technology can, from a distance, determine fever, which is much different than determining just temperature, cough detection, respiratory rate, heart rate, and blood pressure. So what this detection technology can do that's being exclusively integrated by Draganfly is help establish a global early warning system for infectious and respiratory diseases. The Draganfly team is responsible for integrating and commercializing this into camera networks, autonomous devices, and of course, drones. Draganfly was selected for three primary reasons. First of all is history. Draganfly is the oldest operating commercial drone manufacturer in the world. In fact, the University of Southern Australia bought their first research drone from Draganfly in 1999. Second is capabilities. Draganfly is known for commercializing firsts. We were the first quadcopter, the first six-blade helicopter, we were the first company that had a drone that saved a life, and the list goes on. Now we'll be the first to help establish an early warning detection system. Third is security. Draganfly is a trusted North American manufacturer and systems developer.